have many fractions here. So we see that 2 by 7 and 4 by 7, they get added to give a new fraction 6 by 7. Now seeing these two fractions getting added, even 1 by 5 and 3 by 4 wanted to get added, but they could not add up. So they were very sad. So they thought that they will find out a way in which they can add up together to give a new fraction. So are 3 by 4 and 1 by 5 like fractions? What are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions which have the same denominators. But as we can clearly see, these have different denominators, 4 and 5. So they are not like fractions because the denominators are not the same. And we know that we cannot add fractions which are not like, or we cannot add unlike fractions. So we need to find a way to add unlike fractions. So how can we add unlike fractions? First, let us write the equivalent fractions of 3 by 4. So how can we write equivalent fractions? By multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. So if I multiply 3 by 4, both the numerator and denominator by 2, I get 6 by 8. If I multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, 3 into 3 gives me 9. 4 into 3 gives me 12. If I multiply by 4, 3 into 4 gives me 12 and 4 into 4 gives me 16. So I can continue in this manner to get all these. Now these are all equivalent fractions of 3 by 4. So each of these fractions is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, we can find the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5. So if I multiply by 2, I get 2 by 10. If I multiply by 3, I get 3 by 15. If I multiply by 4, I get 4 by 20. And so on. So these are all the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5. So each of these is equal to 1 by 5. Now if you observe, we have a fraction with denominator 20 and we have a fraction with denominator 20 here as well. This is equal to 3 by 4 and this is equal to 1 by 5. Also, the denominator here is 20 and the denominator here is 20. So these two are like fractions. So I can add them. Once again, the denominator here is 40 and the denominator here is 40. Now this is equal to 3 by 4 and this is equal to 1 by 5. So these two are like fractions and these two are like fractions. So 1 by 5 equivalent fraction is 4 by 20 and 3 by 4 equivalent fraction is 15 by 20 with the same denominator. So these two are equal and these two are equal. Also they have the same denominators. So they are like fractions. Hence they can be added as well. So if somehow we can make the fractions with the same denominators, that is, we can convert the fractions to like fractions, we can add them. So this is how we can add unlike fractions. So to start with, 3 by 4 and 1 by 5 are not like fractions. But we find their equivalent fractions which are like fractions and we can add them. But in order to find the equivalent fractions which are like fractions, we need to write a lot of equivalent fractions. And in some cases, even after writing many such equivalent fractions, you may not be able to find like fractions. So is there a simpler way to do that? Yes, there is. Let us see what that is. So I have 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. So take the denominators because I want to make the denominators equal. So the denominators are 4 and 5. Next, find the LCM of the denominators. So I need to find the LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So the LCM of denominators is 20. Now I need to make equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 with denominator 20, and I need to make equivalent fraction of 1 by 5 with denominator 20. Let us see how we can do that. So 3 by 4, I need to make an equivalent fraction with denominator 20. How do we get 20 from 4? By multiplying with 5. 4 into 5 is 20. So, in order to have an equivalent fraction, I need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. So, I need to multiply the numerator also with 5. So, 4 into 5 is 20. So, I need to multiply the numerator with 5. Now, multiplying the numerator 3 with 5, I get 15. So, 15 by 20 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Now, I need to make an equivalent fraction of 1 by 5 with denominator 20. How do we get 20 from 5? By multiplying with 4. So, 5 into 4 is 20. Similarly, to get an equivalent fraction, I need to multiply the numerator also by 4. Now, 1 into 4 will give me 4. And the denominator is already 20. So 4 by 20 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 5. So this is how I can make two unlike fractions as like fractions. See, 15 by 20 and 4 by 20. They are the same as 3 by 4 and 1 by 5, but they are like fractions. So how can I convert unlike fractions to like fractions? First, I need to find the LCM of the denominators and then make equivalent fractions with denominator equal to LCM. This is how you can make like fractions from unlike fractions. So now can you convert these two fractions into like fractions? What is the first thing that you need to do? Find the LCM of 4 and 6. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now I need to make an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 with the denominator equal to 12. That is with the denominator equal to LCM. How do I get 12 from 4? By multiplying with 3. So the numerator also has to be multiplied by 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Similarly, for 5 by 6, I need to make an equivalent fraction with denominator 12. 6 into 2 gives me 12. So the numerator has to be multiplied by 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 5 by 6. And if you see, these two are like fractions. So 9 by 12 and 10 by 12 are the like fractions, whereas 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 are unlike fractions. Now, why do we need to convert unlike fractions into like fractions? Because like fractions are very helpful. Why? Like fractions can be added or subtracted, but unlike fractions cannot be added or subtracted. So, whenever you need to add or subtract two or more fractions, you first need to convert them to like fractions and then add or subtract them. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.